So, are you needing a new fence? Maybe you need an older fence repaired. Maybe you need an addition to your house. Maybe you need to repair that old deck that's been, about to fall through on you. Well, today in this video, we're just going to go through and show you a few of the fences that we've done, a few of the some of the work that we've actually done in the past, and see maybe you could get some ideas of maybe some of the stuff that you need done. We're with Integrity Construction and Fencing, and believe me, we build with integrity. So let's get to it. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring the little bell for notifications so you can be one of the first ones notified when we put out new videos. So you can see all the work that we do. If you like watching those shows on HGTV, then this is the place to be. We will show you some of the stuff that we actually do, some of the work that we've done in the past, and a lot of the work that we're going to do in the future. And we'll just show you, all the ins and outs of getting construction business done. We're going to do a short video and just show you, some of the fences that we've done, some of the decks that we've done. A lot of the work. There's a lot that goes into it. But we make it look easy. So just check out the video, and if you see something that you're interested in, or you want to get a free estimate or a quote on some of the work that we can do for you, just give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, any way you can to get in touch with us. We would absolutely love to help you. And again, we build with integrity. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for our video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you see something that you like or that you want to get a free quote or an estimate on some of the work that we do, please give us a call, shoot us a text, shoot us an email. We'd love to get in touch with you, love to help you. Again, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and ring the little bell for notifications so you can be one of the first ones notified when we put out new videos like this.